Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, June 30th, last day of the month, last day of the quarter, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. First trade in gold, 8:30 on the 8:36 candle Central Standard Time. That was, I'm sorry, 8:33 Central Standard Time, 13:22.5. I said it should go up to as much as between, well, 25.2 is the minimum, up to 25.7. Put my target at the lower spot. That one made about 27 ticks, and that was a nice trade. Then in crude, this is in no particular order, guys. I'm just going from left to right in the chart. In crude, we had a trade long 48.87, 48.87. Told everybody that that should go up first to 03. At that point, I said a ZL was going to come in, might push it down. I don't know for how long, but it definitely was going to want to go to the 08s before anything major happened. That's exactly what happened. It came down, it came back up, tagged the 08s, and then it went down from there. We were actually in an ES trade. There was another short here. We missed a couple. We had a long here, we had a short here, but that's because we were in other trades. And then the ES. In the ES, we had a short at 2064 quarter. 2064 quarter, we actually hit this. We added, we immediately got out. Then when it came back down again, said you got to hit it again. Identified this double band of support here, which I said, the market needed to get below. Actually, this was the level here. This was the minimum we expected the trade to go, 2-quarter, which is 2 points from the 4-quarter. And then I said the market was going to have a decent time here. If it could have gotten lower than that, then we would have had room for more targets. But that was a really rough area. We talked about that in real time. And so that trade made about from 4-quarter to 1/2. About 2 to 3 points. 2.5 to 3 points there. Then we got long on an understanding trade, 675, and you'll see that one really could have made as much as you want. It went up about 1.5 points. Told everybody once it came up here, you might see a red candle or something like that. They might try to sell a little bit, stay in as much as you can. Obviously, this is going to depend on, if somebody took 1.5 points, which is a little bit more than we suggest, they could stay in the trade with a couple contracts if they had one left. One lot trader obviously would make their profit. So depending on how many contracts you had and everything like that, you could have gotten all the way up to here and then added here. But that was a nice winning trade there. And then we had a trade up at 2073. And again, that one worked for about 2.5 points. I told everybody if they want more, then you got to give it room, but you're not going to, it's going to be hard to do. So basically, we'll just call that one 2 points, 2.5 points on that one. And that's what we had. So 1 winner, 2 winner, 3 winner, 4 winner, 5 winners, no losers. I guess this was the same trade, but this was a break even the first time we hit it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 break even. We're going to come back and do it all over again. And until then, we will see you back tomorrow.